Hello everyone, this is Professor Shelar Satish from ADSUL'S Technical Campus. In previous lecture, we have studied about the algorithms. What is algorithm? Various types of algorithms. With example, we have studied in that lecture. Okay, we have also studied what is flowchart, what is various types of notations, which are the various types of algorithms and with example. Okay, in this lecture we are going to study what is data structure and what are the various types of data structures. Okay, so let's start with the presentation. Students, before studying data structure, we have to study what is data. So, data is nothing but the collection of information, that is facts or figures. Whatever entities which are covered in the data, that is called as raw material or various uh, objects of the data, that is called as data. Okay. Then what is object? The entities on present in your database, that is called as data object, which are the elements of the data. It is the data of object. Okay. Then what is data structure? Data structure is a way to store and organize data so that it can be used efficiently. Means what? The data structure is the way of organizing your database. Means there is a specific structure in which we have to store up our data. Okay. In data structure, we can use our various types of data in various types of formats. Okay. A data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing the data. In data structure, we can visit our data, we can process our data, we can retrieve our data, or we can store our data in efficient manner. Okay. In data structure, we can define our data in various types. That is array, that is linked list, that is circular linked list, single linked list, and double linked list. Okay. In stack, we can also store our data. These are the various types of our data structures. Okay. Next slide. What is the need of your data structure? Okay. First is store huge data. You can store large amount of data in your data structure by processing various data objects. Okay. Then stores data in systematic way. In systematic structure, you can store our data. Okay. Then return logical relationship. In data structure, we can define various types of logical relationships in the data objects. Okay. Then provides various structures. Means what? We can provide various structures for the data. Okay. Means what? We can define the data in stack. We can define our data in queue. Means we can give various formats, or we can give various views to the your data structure, that is provide various structures. Then static and dynamic format means what? Static means fixed. Okay. Then dynamic means variable. We can vary our database or data structure in dynamic data structure, and we can also modify in data within fixed values in static data structure. Okay. Then six need is better algorithms. You can design various types of algorithms in the data structure. Better algorithms for better situations. Okay. As per the situation, you can modify our algorithms. Okay. These are the various needs of your data structure. Okay. Then next point is abstract data type. We use our abstract data type in designing of algorithms. Okay, it is the typical structure that is used in the each data structure. Okay, in then you define the data structure. Abstract data type is the set of D, F, and A. What is D? That is domain. That is also called as data objects. What is the domain? The data objects which are defined in the data structure. That is your domain. Then function, the set of functions which can carried out by your object, the functions which are used in the your data structure. Means what? In array you can delete element, you can add element. These are the various functions performed by the array. Okay. Then axioms, the properties and rule of the operation. Okay. These are various properties called as axioms. Okay, properties of your data objects of data structure, that is axioms. Okay, these are the nothing but what is called as abstract data type. Okay, I think clear with this concept. What is abstract data type? It is the set of DFA. D means domain, that is data object. F means functions, and A means axioms, that is properties of your various operations or your data objects or data structure. Okay, this is abstract data type. Okay, then next, various types of data structures. There are mainly two types of data structure, that is primitive data structure, and second is your non-primitive data structure. Okay, in primitive data structure, the various predefined structures are there. Okay, which are the various predefined data structure? That is integer, that is your double, that is your float. Okay, these are the primitive data structure. Means what? These are preserved or predefined in the system. Okay, that is called as primitive data structure. These are already defined by the your system. That is called as predefined. Okay, and those data structures are called as primitive data structures. Okay, then second one is non-primitive data structures. Okay, non-primitive data structures means what? We have to define those data structures. Okay, those data structures are not defined by the system. Okay, we have to define that data structure by using our primitive data structures or primary data structures or primary data types. By using those data types, we define that data structures or design that data structures. Okay, these are non-primitive data structures. Okay, those are not predefined. Okay, and primitive data structures are predefined in the system. Okay, then non-primitive data structures are also classified into two data structures. Okay, first one is your linear data structure, and second one is your non-linear data structures. Okay, in linear data structure, all elements or all data information is systematically stored in sequential manner, or we can also call it linear manner. Okay, or sequential or linear manner. Okay, that is called as linear data structure. Okay, then non-linear data structure, it is non-linear data structure. Data is not stored in sequential manner. Okay, it may be in tree form or it may be in graph form. Okay, then linear data structures have two subtypes, that is static and second one is dynamic. What is static data type or data structure? The data structure whose values or whose capacity or whose size is fixed, that is called as static data structure. Then dynamic data structure, we can vary or we can change the size of that data structure in runtime or while performing the various operations on that data structure. We can change the value or change the size of that data structure in dynamic data structure. Okay, in static the size of the data structure is fixed, and in dynamic the size can vary while performing the operations or runtime. Okay, then what is example of the static data structure? That is array. Okay, in array the size we have to define at the time of declaration. Okay, we have that, therefore the size of the array is fixed. Okay, then dynamic linked list, stack and queue, you can vary or you can change the value of stack, queue, linked list while performing the various operations on it. Okay, or runtime. At runtime we can change the size of stack, we can change the size of queue, we can change size of linked list. Okay, then various non-linear data structures are there, that is tree and graph. Okay, the values or the data elements in non-linear data structures are stored in non-linear manner, not in linear manner. Okay, the various nodes in graph are stored in non-linear manner, not in linear manner. Okay, also the we can say that non-linear manner means what? In hierarchical manner, the elements are stored in non-linear data structure. Okay, in the tree and graph, we have to store all the elements in hierarchical manner. Okay, let's start with the one by one definition. We have also discussed these all definitions in briefly, but we also study it in PPT. Okay. Then next is what is primitive data structure? Primitive data structures are those which are defined in the system. Okay, it just holds the single value of memory location. Means what? Integer, that is single value, character, float, double, etc. Okay, non-primitive data structure. The data types are derived from primary data types. Means what? These primary integer, character, float. Okay, these data types are used to store group of values. In structure, array, linked list, you can store group of values. Okay, then next, linear and non-linear data structure. We have seen, I have also explained this data, both definitions to you. Data structures where data elements are arranged sequentially, okay, or linearly, where the elements are attached to its previous and next adjacent in what is called data linear data structure. Okay, its examples are array, stack, queue, and linked list. Okay, then non-linear data structure, data structures where elements are not arranged in sequential, means all elements are arranged in hierarchical manner. Okay, then its examples are trees and graphs. Okay, we are going to study all these data structures one by one in various units. Okay, that is stack, queue, linked list, trees and graphs. Okay, this is static. Size of data structure is fixed, that is static data structure. The content of the data structure can be modified but without changing the memory space. Means what? The memory space you have to define or declare at the time of declaration. Okay, at the beginning of the data structure we have to define its size. This size is fixed. Okay, then dynamic data structure, size of the data structure is not fixed, can be modified during the operations. Data can change at runtime. Means what? While performing the operations, there is four nodes. Okay, A, B, C, D. You can attach A, B, C, D, and E to the D. Okay, means what? The size gets changed. Okay, we can perform various operations like insert, delete, and okay. Then what is persistent and inherent data structure? What is persistent data structure? It preserves previous version of your data structure. Okay, means what? Your previous elements you have to preserve in linked list and tree. The various previous elements in your data structure are interrelated. Okay, then inference data structure means what? Only one version is available at a time. Does not preserve previous version. It doesn't need your previous version. Okay. The examples are prime and catching memory. Okay. So we stop here. These are the various types of data structures, and we have studied what is data structure and its types. Okay. So we stop here. Thank you.